Hello, MS Excel worksheet set B number 5. This is that question where you had this hotel in which you had rooms of different type and tariff, and the manager wanted to know the overall varieties of returns. So let us look into the worksheet for easier view. So let me do one thing. Let me make the screen bigger so that you can check the worksheet in a better view. Okay. So you can see this one now. Now you see here it starts with the returns. There is deluxe type of room, suite type of room, cottage type of room, and here we are calculating daily return. The deluxe room rent is 5,000 per day, suite is 8,000 per day, and cottage is 14,000 per day. Whatever is the what is it called, currency, right? Now the dates are given and the days are given. The room occupied is this, and here we are going to look at what is the revenue earned against that type of room that day. So if there were 10 rooms occupied and each room had a rent of rupees 5,000, the rate was rupees 5,000, then revenue per day would be nothing but product of this and that. Now note this, that if I am supposed to find out the revenue of the next day, so if I am supposed to find out for Monday, the formula is expected to keep the deluxe rate to be the same. That means column number C's row number 2 is fixed for all of these cells. So in all these cells where the room numbers are given, for them they are supposed to get multiplied to their column heading, which is given in row number 2. So here it is not this one. This one is giving us a good example of mixed cell referencing, because we are using the corresponding columns, the heading, as the source of room rent to be multiplied with the number of rooms each time. So keep on looking at the formula. Even if I am changing the column, the row number is staying the same, right? Now here, if I come to suite, then in this case also you can observe that the corresponding column heading is to be multiplied. So revenue earned for suites is from E4 to multiplied to E2. Now I'll show you one interesting thing out here. You can see that all these formula, even if I delete, I can easily copy from here, because this one is taking only partial addressing. So if I copy this and paste it here, you will find the formula has modified only the column and not the row. So this one is taking its corresponding column heading. Did you understand? So you can check it out once again. I can copy this and paste it in this range. Here the values will therefore now become like whatever is multiplied with the corresponding heading. Now I can show you some more changes, right? And now here to show you the modified values of for each type of room, how many rooms are occupied, and then after that, and then from here, what is the revenue per day for that type, what is the total revenue for all the types together, and then what is the weekly revenue. The weekly revenue is the sum of all the revenues, and what is the average for each day. The average for each day is the average of all the daily revenues, and therefore the fluctuation comes to the difference between average of each day and the revenue earned that day, right? Now try it on your own and cross check which are the calculations that you would like to modify and see. Okay.